Hi, it's Jess from Head to Toe Health. We're going to go through a shoulder decompression exercise. So this is a really nice one to open up through the shoulders, release through the trapezius and the neck as well. So getting some Franklin balls, you can use rolled up socks if you like, or just a soft kind of ball that's about a bit as big as a grapefruit. Right up under the arm, right up in the armpit. And from there, we're just going to go into a flexion and an extension. So just opening up through the shoulders, rolling the shoulder blades forward, rolling the shoulder blades back. Really deliberate movements, nice and slow. You can do 4 to 5 of those. And then we're going to go into a side bend and shrug the shoulder up, across the other side, and another shrug. So repeat that one. Again, 4 to 5 times each side. And then you're going to go into side bending again. This time we're going to roll the shoulder forward. We're going to do 5 rolls on this side. And then you're going to come back up, back to the other side. 5 rolls this side forward. And then changing sides again, 5 rolls backwards. So being really deliberate with your shoulder movement, making sure you're getting as much of that shoulder blade movement as you can. And 5 back the other way. And then from there, we're going to go into a side bending, and you're going to nod the head. So let the head drop and relax. You'll get a stretch through the neck possibly. I'm going to do 3 to 5 of those. Other side. 3 to 5 of those. Let the neck stretch. Try not to push it too far. Coming back up. 3 to 5 rolls forward. If the balls start to come loose, just put them back up under the armpit there. 3 to 5 backwards. And then just remove the balls and feel how those shoulders feel. So they should be nice and open. That's a really nice exercise to do to free up the shoulders.